Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I put a couple of videos back. I actually put that Bitcoin was headed to 4217. We did hit that target and we broke that target towards the upside. Right now, you're kind of trading sideways on trend, and I'll tell you guys that 47.4 is kind of, I don't want to say guaranteed, but there's like a 90% chance we keep rallying to 47.4. So you broke the higher time frame trend. You're trading sideways and you're curling up. I would definitely take this long here up to 47.4. Again, I'm not trading crypto. You know, if anybody wants to trade it, that's all on you guys, right? Obviously. But yeah, I think we started our push to 47K. I do not think we're gonna come right back down unless something with like news or something happens, something crazy. But this looks like a typical long to 47, right? You broke this high. You broke the 42179 resistance, right? Pretty easily on the daily, right? So you broke over it, right? Came up, broke over it. You're kind of sitting on trend right now. You already retested, right? So you already broke trend, right? So you broke trend, retested. I wouldn't be surprised if this is the push to 47.4. I think 47.4 kind of is almost guaranteed. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.